Welcome back to Haul Tech, the place that takes you into the world of heavy transport. From daring maneuvers to unexpected challenges, get ready for a thrilling journey and unforgettable moments on every road. The truck crashed into the sign, but the white car, I wonder what the driver was thinking. A crane suddenly collapsed right at the St. Pete Police Headquarters, causing chaos in the area. Miraculously, no one was injured, a rare blessing in such a dangerous situation. The rescue was truly impressive. The crane not only completed the task, but also proved to be an indispensable tool in emergency situations. With decisive and precise movements, it brought the car back to the ground safely and gently. Well, I guess that's one quick way to pour the concrete. This is why it's called reckless truck driving. The driver failed to see the blind spot in the corner ahead and miscalculated the turn, leading to a dramatic tire blowout. Let's find out what happened and how to avoid making the same mistake again. This truck driver made a serious mistake while preparing to unload. Everything was ready, but oh no, the rear door was still shut, and by then it was too late to fix it. Driving a heavy truck on treacherous roads isn't just a job. It's a true test of courage and resilience. This driver's near miss reminds us of the incredible skill and composure required in this line of work. These unsung heroes deserve recognition for facing challenges head-on, day after day. The Cat 966H is optimized for harsh working environments such as mud or slippery terrain. Powerful hydraulics and superior traction provide stable operation in heavy-duty tasks. A dangerous situation occurred when an Iveco Stralis 480 suddenly tilted and slid off the road in the middle of challenging dirt terrain. While the situation was still unclear, rescue teams were quick to arrive and stabilize the vehicle before things got worse. Look over there. A steel bulldozer is rescuing a truck stuck in the snow. Northern roads are always full of unexpected surprises. Large truck rollovers are always a challenge, but Dad's Towing made quick work of it with their powerful equipment and professional crew. They got the vehicle back on its feet in no time. A job well done. The DT-75 tractor is in trouble. It's stuck in the swamp and struggling hard. Will it be able to overcome this challenge?
Блядь, ну двигается же. Его сносит.
A powerful machine has been assigned to clear the path as it moves northward. It's one of those moments when you just want to sit back and watch it work. Truly impressive. Transporting 360 tons of cargo is a challenging task. But with the Frederick team, everything is carefully prepared to ensure a safe and smooth journey. A moment of carelessness and your truck could turn into a fireball. The cause? Skipping checks on seemingly small items, fire extinguisher, warning triangle, first aid kit. Don't let negligence cost you dearly. A pre-trip inspection isn't optional, it's a must. A truck that dumps its cargo incorrectly can lead to a very dangerous situation. Just witnessing this scene is enough to leave you in awe. A massive load, weighing 330 tons and stretching 83 meters long, slowly weaving through narrow city streets. This isn't just transportation, it's a true art of engineering and precision. The tractor plowed through the mud as if nothing was in its way. In terrain where normal people would retreat, he just kept moving forward. A masterful display of skill and experience. A 600-ton trailer with 5 prime movers working simultaneously, yet it still wouldn't budge. This is a rare situation, especially in a densely populated urban area. A difficult task when transporting a transformer to a city power station. With a load capacity of up to 320 tons, this mining truck is equipped with a high-powered hydraulic lift system that ensures efficient and safe unloading. Its operation clearly showcases the outstanding capabilities of modern mechanical engineering. The Sherman tank left a lasting mark in World War II, not only because of its combat capabilities, but also due to its remarkable agility. The combination of a solid design and a powerful Ford V8 engine created a machine that could adapt to various battlefields. At the 2006 Warbird Air Show, the nearly 69,000-pound tank effortlessly maneuvered through sharp turns, a vivid demonstration of superior engineering. It was a massive operation. 4 decommissioned generators, each weighing 400 tons, were transported over a distance of 700 miles, with a total cargo weight of up to 760,000 pounds. The crew had to use heavy-duty equipment and ensure that everything, from safety measures to permits, was absolutely precise. The Predator 6x6 impresses with its powerful design, inspired by the image of a predator. The installation of 16-inch Trom tires on the front axle helps the vehicle achieve standard size ratios, perfecting both appearance and performance. Which moment surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.